Heroic Showdown. What are we fighting with? Leonard, Laura, Devin, Luke, Braden, Nick, Matt, the other Toon, Mikey, Alan, Sunder. Let's make it happen. Bring him in. Put him on hold. Bring in the other one. Put him on hold. Now we're going to just empty the base. Move these guys out just a hair. There. That's enough. Now where is... There he is. Come on. Right there. Leave those guys there. They're going to take it. We're just going to clear the base. This will save you a ton of time. All you're doing now is shooting the stuff that will kill your Devon. So kill the rails, kill the overwatches, and then clear the rest. What do we got here? There's one we got to kill. Shoot him, get him to stop shooting us. Kill the anti-air so that they won't kill your Braden. It's got everything. Now we'll just clear the base. Put it on Ruby, clear the base. Get over here. Just forget about killing the rest of them. Just clean the base out. That's it. Level 1. You'll get a minute or two damage, but not much. We'll see if we can get all 4 bases in this recording. Time will tell. One minute repair. 5 seconds repair. All right, let's go get 2. Showdown 2. Repeat the same thing. Bring them in. Kill most of the base with Devon. Clean it up with the rest of them. That will do all 4 bases. Take it off of Ruby. All right, bring them in. Bring them in, put them on hold. Bring in the other 3. Bring them in here in the middle. Put them on hold. Now we just got to get Devon to come out just a hair. Right there is good. Now let's go clear the base. Leave those guys right there. Anybody that comes after you, just kill them. All right, now we just get rid of the anti-air, because the first thing you get rid of the rails and the overwatch. And then if you get rid of the air, then you can bring Braden in. Put him on Ruby. That's it. Oh, what happened? Come on. That's it. What do we get? 420. All right. Repair them. Shouldn't take too long. And we got to go get a 3. Where's their 3? 3 right there. There's a 3 right there. We'll go kill that one. Almost 5 minutes, but instant repair. That's it. Let's go get a 3. You see the arrows? All right, let's take it down. Repeat what we just did. Take it off Ruby, bring in your heroes, put them on hold. Good enough right there. Bring in the other 3 heroes, move them into the middle of the group, put them on hold. Get Devin to come out a little bit. Right there's good. Deselect Devin, go clean the base. Leave those guys there. They'll take care of anything. Kill the rails and the overwatches. They're the ones that'll hurt you. Kill the anti-air now, because that will kill your Devin. And let's clean the base out. Bring everybody in, clear it out. That's it. Take them home. Oh, let's see what we get. 420. And then we need a showdown right there. That'll be number 4. A minute and 17. That's it. Let's go clean out number 4. Same thing. Bring them in. Put them on hold. Clear the base with Devin. Clean up with the rest of them. So you see how easy it is. And you see right now we got 200% bonus simply by killing it a few times. We'll do the same thing we just did. Kill the rails and the overwatches, then go back and kill the anti-air, and you won't get much damage. Put them on hold. That's not what I wanted. Get in here in the middle. Good enough right there. Get Devin to come out so I can find him right there. Where are you, Devin? I got to get Devin to come out so I can find him. There we go. That should be it. Bring in the rest. Clean the base, and you're done. Don't worry about who's attacking you. Just clean the base, and you're done. That's it. Let's see what we get. You can do it. Go and do likewise. Good, another hour. Oh, 250% now. Fix them up. What do we got? 5 minutes and 38. But what we're really saying is you take him out, and we've got immediate repair. You put Devin back in, and he's got immediate repair. Who got whacked over here? Somebody got hit over here. Not usually, but it happens. Okay, take Alan out. That was it. Alan was the only one. So put him back in. 20 seconds. All right, go and do likewise.